This one island belongs to the First Nation. And in Mother Earth, the country was invented around 10,000 years ago when they invented the kingdom, the religion, and the money to enslave everybody. This is the problem of Mother Earth now, the countries, the money, and the religion. We have to most remember who we are. We are all one family. The black nation, the yellow nation, the black nation, and the white. We have to move, we must remember, we have to go away from religion, kingdom, and government, and come back in reality who we are. We are brothers. The women are our sisters. We have to respect everything in Mother Earth. We need to do that forever. Fire!
So you are about oneness, unity,
Yeah,
all over the world.
All over Mother Earth, we are one family. We must come back to this way.
What is this one called?
This, we call it walking stick or connection stick. This one connects with all the energies of Mother Earth and connect you inside yourselves too. You know, this is the connection. You know, because religion, kingdom, government, they are stealers and killers. They steal everything, belong to everyone, and have everybody like a slave forever. You know, this is the thing. We have to must be free from this kind of system, satanic system.
So-
This is the thing.
So what religion will you say you practice?
It's not religion. It's not religion.
Okay.
It's Mother Earth, the connection to the four elements of life.
Okay.
And this is what it is. You know, we are one. We have to remember, and everybody is the truth. We have to go inside ourselves and find the truth inside ourselves. Because since the system comes to Mother Earth, everybody's destroyed. Everybody believes are better than anyone, but we are all the same. Nobody's better than nobody. We are all the same. Look, the religion, what they do it. The Catholic religion fucking the children and killing the children. What is that? And almost all the religion do that because they are evil. You know what I mean? This is the thing, brother. I am Wakkoyolha. I am Fred
Okay.
Nation.
Yeah, just a moment, please. So what? Can you tell me what the connector is made of? You said this is the connector.
I cannot tell you.
Okay, you
what
cannot
it's
tell
made
me.
of because this is
All right.
secret. You want my power. You want a power. You have to do yours. But no. Hey, what happened?
Okay.
What happened, my beautiful sister?
All right. I don't want to know the secret. No problem. So, okay.
You understand what you want?
No. Honestly, it's not because I want to know the secret. No, it's just because I got fascinated. And when we started talking,
Yeah, but you have
you-
a photo, please.
okay, I will. Just a moment, please.
Okay.
Let me be done with
Listen,
them.
You have to.
Okay.
You have to beginning to do your things. You know, and remember who you are, because inside of you, you have everything. You know?
Right.
Nobody can tell you that because it's yourself. You know, you just remember who you are and beginning to do the things. You know,
Okay.
and take away the colonial way of your mind. You know, and then you will be cleaning yourself. You will be beginning to remember in reality who you are. You know what I
Okay.
mean?
Yes.
This is the thing. It's
Thank you
very
so
simple.
much.
And you, anyway, you go to Africa, you're going to see too many brothers with this thing, you know,
Right.
and they have the power.
Very
But
true.
The power of the book is nothing. The only one have the power. The one told you what is the
You are a native of where?
everywhere. For us, it's no word, you know.
Oh,
This was invented by the white brothers. They tell where you come from, where you come from, because they come from over there to steal the land. You know.
so you are for the world.
We are
We-
in Turtle
we are the
Island,
same.
In Turtle Island, from north to south, is my territory. You know.
Okay.
It's no country for us. It's no Canada. It's no Quebec. It's no any country. It's Turtle Island from north to south, free from colonial destroyer way, government kingdom. Go away from my land.